Hi ladies, in this session we will be talking about our note-taking app, Notability. In this session we've got several hands-on activities for you to complete. So first up, let's talk about why Notability. We use Notability because it's very user-friendly and it's got a reliable backup. You should use Notability for very informal writing. One of those times is for note-taking and for editing teacher PDFs. So let's talk about auto backup and Notability. We want to back up to Google Drive and we want to turn our iCloud backup on. That way you can access your notes at any time from your Google Drive, and if something happens to your iPad, we can always recover your notes. So to turn on auto backup, first open up Notability and then go down to the bottom left hand corner. There's an icon that looks like a little wheel gear. Tap on that. And then if you're looking at this middle picture, you're going to select Google Drive, tap on the little gear icon there, log in. If it prompts you to log in, use your Sacred Heart School's email address and password. And then if you're looking at this third picture, you want to make sure that the destination folder says Notability. That's why we created that in the Google Drive section. Once you've got it backed up to Google Drive, the next thing we want to do is we want to turn on our iCloud auto backup. So again, we're in the settings section. Click on the iCloud tab and change it from off to on. At this time, please turn on Google Drive Auto Backup and the iCloud Backup. Please pause the video now to complete that task. Next, let's talk about organization. Within Notability, we've got dividers and subjects. The wording is a little strange, so let me take a moment to explain. Think of a divider as you would a folder. Your dividers should represent your courses, so whether that's English or religion or biology. The subjects equal the subfolders. So subjects typically are going to represent units. So for an English class, your subjects might be Summer Reading, Beowulf, Macbeth, or the Canterbury Tales. Now let's take a look at how do you actually create these dividers. So what you want to do is you want to hit the plus sign in your top left hand corner, then you want to hit Create Divider, and then you're going to type in the class name and hit Done. Now let's talk about how you create the subfolders. Again, go up to that plus sign in your top left hand corner, and this time let's tap Create Subject. This time you're going to type in the unit name. So for a religion class, it might just be Unit 1. Then you're going to hit Done on your keyboard. One of the things our students really love about Notability is that we can change the color of the subfolders. So to change the subfolder color, go up to Edit. Then you're going to tap on the little gear wheel next to the subfolder that you want to change. And then you can select whatever color you want. Now we've got a task for you to complete. First, we want you to create a folder. Remember, that's called a divider in Notability. Create folders for English and religion. Then create a subfolder, which is a subject, under English titled Summer Reading. Then we want you to create a subfolder under religion titled Unit 1. Once you've got the hang of that, go ahead and create dividers for your remaining classes. Please pause the video now so that students can complete this task. Now that we've got our folders and our subfolders created, let's talk about creating a new note. First thing that you want to do is go to the folder in which you want that note to appear. Then you're going to tap the pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. You want to give your note a name, then create your note by typing directly on the note. You can create a text box to type in, or you can write with your finger or your stylus. The option for typing, writing with a pen, highlighting, or erasing can be found at the top of Notability through those various icons. And now it's time for another task. Let's select the Summer Reading subfolder, create a new note, rename your note Summer Reading Practice, and practice typing and writing within the note. At this time, please pause the video to complete the task.